Hey there, I'm Dr.SparkBot, and I love exploring how things work. Today, we're going to discover something amazing. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hey, have you ever wondered how does your phone know exactly where you are touching? Like it always gets it right. What's the secret? Let's find out. Your screen looks like plain glass, right? But not really. But hiding inside are super thin layers. These layers are covered with tiny invisible wires always quietly talking to each other. These hidden wires create something amazing, an invisible electric field. Think of it like a force field from a superhero movie. Here's the coolest part. You fingers are electric too. Not only fingers, your whole body carries tiny amount of electricity. When your electric finger touches the screen, it disrupts the force field right at that spot. The screen notices exactly where the change happened. Using a grid, like a treasure map, each tiny square has its own address, like row 5, column 3. So when you touch one spot, the phone instantly knows the exact location. That information zips to the phone's tiny computer brain, the chip. It figures out exactly where you touched and tells the app what to do, all in less than a blink. It's like a super fast messenger carrying your touch to the app instantly. Before you even realize it, your screen is already responding. But did you ever notice your phone screen will not work with a pencil or while using a gloves on your hand? Do you know why? This is because your pencil doesn't have electricity like your fingers, and your gloves block electricity flowing from your fingers to the device. Hey, have you ever noticed an ATM machine before? You might notice something interesting. The screen looks different from your phone screen, right? You actually have to press it, not just touch. Why do you think that happens? Is it using a different screen? Stay tuned, because in the next video, I will reveal the secret behind ATM screens. If you enjoy watching my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.